How to sign into your Outlook account. First of all, open any browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in outlook.com. When you type in the URL, press enter on your keyboard. Wait for a while until the page gets loaded. Now you will land on the official interface of Outlook where you can see the sign in button here, or you can also click on sign in button here at the bottom left corner to log into your Outlook. So click on the sign in button. Make sure you already have created account on Outlook. So here, enter your email, phone or Skype. If you don't have account create, you can click on create one link and easily create one. So let's enter the information and click on the next button. So let's enter a different account here. Now click on the next button. So a code has been sent to our email address. You need to enter the code in order to sign in. Now click on sign in button at bottom right corner of the screen. So if you wish to say sign in, you need to check mark this don't show this again and click on yes button. So let's click on yes button and then you have successfully logged into your Outlook account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.